We have a video in our timeline. Let's say we want to duplicate this video. What we can do is we can press Alt and then drag this video to a higher timeline. Here we have another video which is the same video clip as earlier. We can press Alt and we can create another video clip like this. Or let's say we want to duplicate several clips at the same time. We can just select all of them and then click Alt and can get the duplicate of this like this. When we're using the cut tool, let's say we want to cut these 3 videos at the same time. So we have to go through this like 3 times. It takes a bit of time and it's pretty annoying sometimes. And if there are several videos like this and you want to create cuts at the same time, you can use this feature by clicking on Shift. You get this line and then you can cut several clips from the same position at the same time. If you click on this and select a value like this, you can see that the video gets zoomed in. This is very useful when you are working on something like color grading or like masking some object on the video. Sometimes this gets pretty annoying because like we have to go to this and then select the video which we need. So what you can do is you can assign this zoom in effect to a key in your keyboard. So I have assigned this zoom in effect to this key. This is much convenient than going here and then selecting the value we need, and then if it's not enough, so we have to go to another value, and if it's too big, we have to go to another value which is in between. It gets pretty annoying. To assign a shortcut like this, you have to go to edit and then keyboard shortcuts. For this, you can assign effects to your keys in the keyboard. So we have to search for zoom monitor in. You can select the key you want and then add this, drag this effect onto this key, and now you can see that the effect is added to the key. So you can click on OK, and now you can see that this effect works on this key. If you are animating the motion of a video like the position or scale or any other movement, now as you can see, this animation looks like flat. It's just starting at a point and stopping at a point without any like breaks. So for that, what you can do is we can just select these keyframes and then right click, time interpolation, and then ease in. Same to the starting position, time interpolation, and ease out. So as you can see, this is now much smoother than earlier because this is not suddenly breaking like earlier. The speed of this increasing, position and scale are like increasing, and then this highest at the middle, it stops when it comes to this end part. Now as you can see, I have created a zoom in effect to this video. Now let's say you want to use this same effect to another video. So what you can do is we can just click on this, copy this, and then paste it to another video. But if you want to save it for future videos where you don't have this video and this effect, that case what you can do is we can right click on this effect and then give this save preset button, and I'll save it as Dodge Zoom and then click OK. So now if we go to the effects and then search for, we can see our effect in our effects panel. We can just drag and drop this into our video. We can save our effects like this. So let's say you add some color grade or something like that. We can save that as a preset and then use it on our video later as we want. If you use the lumetri color effect or any other effect which requires a color picker tool, for example like this, if you use this Ultra key on this video and select this color picker tool, if you select a certain point, it's gonna pick one specific color like this. As you can see, the color changes whenever we go through this gray space. But if we press Ctrl, we can see that our marker tool gets bigger. If you go to a region like this, press Ctrl and click on this, it's gonna select a range of colors so that the effect we are adding gets better because it's selecting a range of colors, not the single color. So this gives a better output when you're using effect like Ultra key, where we need to select a range of color, not a single color, but a range of colors. Now let's say you have several video clips like this where you want to add an effect. So what you can do is you can just add an effect to this video. So do the changes that you need and then select this video and then copy this effect and then paste it into these videos separately. But this can require a lot of time. And if we change the effect in one video and then we want to change the others, then we have to again select, copy the effect and then paste it into individual videos. It will take a lot of time. What you can do is before adding the effect, we can select all these videos, right click on this and then go and click on next. We can give a name and then click OK. And here we have a single video clip where you can add any feature onto this and then it will affect in the entire video clips. Or when you want to change this, we can change an effect in this entire set of clips using this one video clip, because this is now acting as a one video clip. And if you want to add one effect to one single video in this, double click on this and now you can see the entire set of videos in a separate sequence. You can add separate changes if you want to your video. And when you are a beginner, make sure to learn all the keyboard shortcuts that you are having in your editing program, because it makes the video editing much easier and it saves a lot of time in our video editing. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and